And we're back for our second half. 5-point lead for the G Crypto captains. Still manage the ball for the G Forest Rangers. We're fighting for the second runner-up for Children's Base Basketball League 2024. Darren Elizabeth, Adrian, behind the back people, simple na Adrian ng basketball. Darren, agaw, sipag talaga.
Kaya!
Pass rate for the Rangers. Pumeke, hindi na siya depensa doon, kaya ipapasok na sila. Darren, hindi na si Darren reference. 10 points na for Darren Padilla. Iyan. Ganda naman ang dribble niya ngayon. Takas na. Dami ng rebounds ni J.R. Ilagan. Dami ng differential ng gusto. Grabe yung talo na yun ni Arthur sa ball. Wow! Ay, nalakas yan. Sayang. Sixteen seconds to shoot by Adrian. Buti walang foul. Adrian for another rebound. Adrian, pinapapang ball, bounce pass. Ang daling ulitin doon ni Darren. At doon Darren Padilla. Darren, pumeke. Parehang nagawa kanina. Golden, libre-libre pamanta. Sayang, pero nito super na yun. For the rebound. Isa na lang ang lamang dito ng captains. 38, 37, 8 minutes, 17 seconds for the third quarter. Ang galing naman ang agaw na
nice one!
Grabe. 12 points now for Darren Padilla. Ilang steals ka ba si Darren? 4 steals for Darren Padilla. And 12 points. Two-way player si Darren with defense and offense. Ayun na naman ang taligan po ngayon si Arthur. Nilabas kay Adrian. Nilamit ang bola. Umiyan. Ganda ng galaw na yun. Grabe naman yun. Adrian Hernandez plus a foul. Foul number 6. Pagilan nga ang Ilagan. Pangalawa. Isa pa lang daw sabi ni Ilagan. Pero hindi mo maiilagan ang ating mga fouls. Isa lang? Parang natawagan ka na talaga kanina. Balikan naman sa captain, 2 points. 41-39. Darren. Bigay kay 3-4-3. Pinakakit sa mga 3 points ang Universidad. Arthur. Nice. Foul. Good foul or buti walang ano yun? At go.
Basket.
Si Ian ba yun? Ian Geronimo? Ang ganda kasi ng depensa doon nila Ian.
Bola. Goal.
Dahil grabe yung bagong binigyan talagang bola Ranger. He got the for the captain by 27 seconds. 9 seconds to shoot. Nagaw lahat. Good by one. Arthur. I think there is a point of the Arthur. Ilang pilis na si Arthur dahil foul. Tatlo na, ang steal. Iyan ang sa Ogawa. Along with the dito, 5.3 for the captain.
Hello.
Bounce pass. Tinaw to Pantalyon. 9 seconds to 2. Pantalyon for 3. Binanda niya. Libre na naman doon ang captain. Hindi nyo talaga mahabol na sila Arthur. Pag sila yung fast break, libre doon. Don't forget, may 3 timeouts each per team. 4 minutes, 32 seconds. Pachilla, bumangga. Wow!
Talikod.
Sini foul. Foul number 7.
Matamaan ko na yung foul.
Ilangan. Shooting for 2 free throws. Mintes.
Yes!
Cantayon to Del. 1 minute 20 seconds for the third quarter. 6 point lead for the captain. Ang ganda ng tackle pa ni Pagaluan. Ryan to Ryan. Ryan nilapit na kay Steph. Oh, wow, pag-lead. Pakalawa na yata ng Miggy yan. Third, ka na pala, Miggy. Third. Dahil hindi pa rin karibang para sa free throw. Dahil ilan banda, sayang naman nun. Medyo maalag ang ating 3,000. Arthur, ganda na pasa. Adrian, hindi sinayang ang assist from Arthur sa foul to Adrian Fernandez. 10-point lead now for the captains. 19 seconds to shoot. Pwede bang bumalik ang bola sa captains? Dahil hindi nyo pinantayan. Pasok. 13 seconds to go for our third quarter. Last shot for the captains. Ian. 4 seconds to shoot. Binigay na Adrian. Adrian! And that's the end of our third quarter. 57-49, 8-point lead for the G Crystal Captains.